Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to quantize in Logic Pro X. So first, what we are going to do is select the colored block, the MIDI region in your main timeline. So which one do you want to quantize? So let's say we want this one right here. So all of them we want to okay, so just select one, select all, sorry, just this one. And now what we are going to do is go to the bottom left corner and click on in this middle icon, and you will see here quantize. So if you don't have opened menu here, just click on it. And then what you are going to do is select here quantize where you see off, or if you have any value, still click on it, and you will see that we get bunch of uh, values here. So for example, 1 of 16 is for standard hip hop hi-hat keys, or 1 or 8 note for basic chords. And yeah, this is how you can quantize uh, every block in your timeline. And yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.